up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! We got another tool haul. This is going to be an oddball tool haul. Going to be an off-brand stuff, or not off-brand stuff, but this is going to be some cool stuff. I've got one of the best tools that I've ever seen, or I've seen for a while. But let's start off with these are oddball tools that I think you will definitely want to get. First of all, I got this Cipco Pro. Look at this vice grip. This thing is weird. It does 1 inch round. I'm just using a socket because I didn't have anything really available. Let's just pan you down. Good Lord. CP, just stop looking around here. Let's get you panned down and get all the stuff out of the way here. But let's look at this guy right here. Does a 1 inch. If you notice on here, it says 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, which 3 inches is basically this right here. This would be the 2 inch section that you do, which I thought was kind of neat, and 1 inch. So what I'm talking about by that is, woo, calm down, son. It grabs a hold of round stuff, grabs a hold of square stuff. Let's look at the, I got a pry bar. This is a 7/8 pry bar, Mac. Grab square stuff. Sorry. Let me get this thing tightened in here. See that? Grabs a square inch bar stock. Pretty handy pliers, I think, to be honest with you. That's a 7/8 inch bar, but still grabs it. Here's a 2 inch socket. Let's move that bad boy over here and show you how it grabs these. Get her adjusted back down. Show you the size. Look at that. We got 2 inches across the top there. But man, look at that. Grips on it good. It's pretty cool. I thought this would come in handy. And I don't have any 3-inch pipe, but I do have a can. It's almost 3 inches. So let's just show you what it does on that. Look at that. Grips on there pretty good, but this would come in handy. These would come in handy. It's called a Cipco Pro, and I don't have no part number on it, to be honest with you. This was an eBay item that I bought, and definitely I think it's going to come in handy for some really for some certain applications. So I saw it, I wanted it, I picked it up. Next thing we picked up was this, which I think this is pretty much the best wrench extender on the planet. This is a KTI 49403. Jersey Discount Tool will be carrying these rather inexpensive tools. I don't remember what they were, between 30 or 40 bucks. I don't remember. But if you look at the wrench extenders, and let's just give you a little eyeball. The normal wrench extender sets on your wrench like such, well, and then has that big funky handle. Well, with this guy, I'm going to grab my breaker bar. You can use a breaker bar or a 21 millimeter wrench. And that gives you a ton of length. Let's just pan you up here real quick for a second. Get that in there. So this thing will give you a 26 inch breaker bar on this 30 mil. Flip her over the right way. Bam. Boom. Shakalaka. That's a pretty cool wrench extender in my business. Now, the best part about it is not only can you use it on your wrench for such business as that, but it has a hex drive that works on your 21 millimeter. And you can use it on that too. Look at that. Any way you want it, you can have it. 21 millimeter. Pretty awesome tool. This has got to be like one of the best wrench extenders I've ever seen. And not only that, you're not spending $100 on them. To be perfectly honest with you, that's why I've never had any. I've never really had a need for them. But if I was gonna get one, this was the one I was getting because of that. And it works. Looks like it works down to a 15 possibly. If you wanted to go that route, pretty small, but it works pretty big. Honestly, anything below a 15, I don't know why you'd really, if you had a nut that, you're going to break a nut. You can break a 15 millimeter with just this size wrench, but I mean, if you needed to go that small, but basically this is made for bigger wrenches. This is 21 millimeter. Fits pretty well. Doesn't have much slop in it. And that's a 32 mil is the biggest. So I would say that probably sticking to your 19 and larger definitely works on the bigger wrenches just fine. Like I said, K-Tool. Part number is a 49403. Take a screenshot of it if you want it. The one thing that's funny about this is it says it only has a 1-year warranty. I thought that was kind of weird, but it doesn't give you a size on the tool itself. Just tells you can use it with a 1/2-inch drive, 21 millimeter hex drive. So it's a new tool to me. I don't know much about them. Never used any wrench extenders. It is what it is. You guys can take it for wherever you want to. Not a sponsor. You know, blah, blah, blah. The last but not least tool is a real gem. Now, I have been on the fence about buying this bad boy for a long, long time. And this is a 58-inch. Let me get the tape measure out. There's not enough camera here for me. 58.5 inches, it looks like. Nope, 58. 58 inches on the braid off.
That's a huge bitch.
58-inch Dominator. I picked this thing up for $90. I will try to find the link for this. It was like Tooltopia is what I bought this on. That's the only reason I bought this. Let's talk just a second, because I want you guys to see the difference.
Oh my God, you're
sizes.
definitely compensating.
Anybody notice anything? That's right. This is a 3/4 inch shank, and this is a 7/8. Now, the reason why, this is only a 44-inch pry bar. This is my Mac one, okay? And I really didn't think, I don't really think that I will need a 58. You can see the tip right there, the difference. That extra length, this bar is going to give a little bit. And I have tried it, and it does give. And maybe I'll show a video of how that. This sucker, no give. It's only 44 inches, but it has no flex to it whatsoever. The 44-inch, that's why I never really wanted a 58. But for $90, I couldn't pass this up. These things go upwards to 200 plus on the tool truck. And they're pretty much the same. Made in the USA. Right there's a part number on it. Sucker weighs about 10 pounds, 11 pounds. It's a 14120 is the part number. Mayhew, we all know, makes good stuff. USA made. I love the handle. The Dominator handle on it's great. But, you know, I love the Mac ones. And this is the bastard of the set now. Because I do have a whole set of Mac ones. So it kind of was disheartening that I was doing that. But honestly, I mean, Cornwell's got a 60-inch. And that's the biggest pry bar out there that you can get. Whatever. I don't care. 2 inches. Big deal. This is already 58. The thing is about it is that this is so long that it's going to flex. I wish they would have done a 3/4 inch shaft in this 58-inch length. I would have probably been a little bit more happier with it, but whatever. It is what it is. Now I got a 58.
Guys, this pry bar deal is really legit. $90. Tell me in the comment box if you think it's legit.
So, gotta find a place.
Seems like a great deal to me.
Guys, that's the tool haul for you. Just some oddball, quick ins and outs stuff, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Remember, you're just supporting another blue-collar guy when you subscribe to this channel. So always remember that when you give a thumbs up or whatnot, that I'm just no different than you guys are out there, and trying to help you out, show you some content, help you out with some deals when I can. And that's all there is to it. So thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate you. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.